This is a 2011 Porsche 997.2 Turbo S. There were only 2,000 made worldwide for 3 years. Approximately less than 1,000 came into the United States. This car is all-wheel drive, 530 horsepower, 516 foot-pound of torque, all-wheel drive. It has every amenity that you could put in this sunroof, Bose Premier sound system, carbon fiber, and everything is up to date. It was just taken to a Porsche specialist recently, and it was put in excellent shape as they rate it. The only thing missing are the center lock wheel hubs, and that was on purpose because the center lock wheel hubs need to have a very special tool to take them off and on, and it's not a tool that can fit in the car. So if you're on the road and you're not near a Porsche dealership, anybody can change them. The car is in just perfect shape.